Good evening, good evening. Ayun na nga. $55 ay mali, wag yan. Ito lang. Ay mali, 52. Sorry, mali. Mali nang niload. Wait lang. Sorry, mali. Mali nang niload. Good evening, what's up? Okay. Tales of Legend yan, anak pagkamalang ligaya. Ni ano. Pa yun. Wait lang. Ting, 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 ting. Tapos tinga. Uy, ay, tama ba? Super Noob Gaming, thanks for liking the stream. Dalo nga pala kay Delta ng Super Noob Gaming. Welcome back sa stream. Thanks for liking. Ayun na nga. Nakabalik ko yung camera ko eh. Notify, salamat sa pag-notify. Wait lang ha. Tales of Legendia PS2. Okay. Last na. Okay. Continue. Kamusta Lods? Okay lang. Ito, ngayon lang ulit nakapag-live. Dahil sobrang busy. Busy-busy yan. Kunwari. Tales of Legendia PS2. Yan. Okay. Shucks, wala pala yung ano ko rito. Wala yung stand ng phone ko. Okay, 55:18 yung pinaka-latest. 55 hours and 18 minutes yung pinaka-latest na ano ko. Na, yes. Dali. Pahinaan ko nga yung ano ko. Cellphone. My gosh. Balik. O, dito na ako sa character quest. Tapos ko na. Tapos teka, bakit wala ako sa kanya? Tapos na yung main story niya. Yung character quest na lang. So ilan na lang ba? 3 na lang. So sa kalagitnaan na ako nitong isa. Pero hindi ko sure kung matatapos ko siya ngayon. Kasi hindi pa ako makamove sa ano. Hindi pa ako makamove sa ibang game. Dahil gusto kong tapusin muna to. Right. Sabi ayun, okay. Ano yan? Salamat sa pag-gaming nice. Para kay Rayq ng Rayq Pastime. Good evening, good evening. Ayun na nga. Balik ako dito. Mali kasi yung dinaanan ko. Mali kasi. Bakit na-stretch yung ano? Nakakainis pag ano ako, tawag doon. Pag nag-capture card ako, i-stretch yung ano niya. Kaya mo na? At least maputi ako sa camera. Partial of Regime Bay. Yan, dito na ako eh. Mahaba-haba pa yan. Tapos na yung ano, karakter, tapos na yung story niya. Pero may extra pa siyang ano, may post-game siya. Character quest. So, lahat to, dito, tapos ko na tong kay Chloe. Ito yung pinaka-reset na natarso kay Chloe. Ito yung dalawang bida, si Shirley tsaka si Senel. Yun yung main story. So, sumunod doon, ito yung kay Will, tapos na rin. Kay Norma, tapos na. Tsaka kay Chloe. So, tatlo na lang. Ito na lang. Kasalukuyan ako na kay Moses. Hello kay Reuben Villar. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow pala. Salamat sa pag-follow, Reuben Villar. So, ito na. Kasalukuyan na ako kay Moses Sandor. 55 hours na pala. O nga, mahaba-haba rin, ano? Hindi, alam mo, hindi siya masyadong mag-grind. Ang taas lang ng encounter rate niya, sobra. Kaya lagi akong gumagamit ng ano. Salamat din sa pag-like na stream, ano, Reuben Villar. Yan, sa Jay, tsaka si Grun. Ito, hindi pa. Itong dalawang to, hindi pa. Ang taas ng encounter rate niya. Kaya lagi akong gumagamit ng Holy Battle para, ano, para yung walang masyadong, ano, ginagaya ako ng cellphone ko. Nag-i-echo sa cellphone. Red! What is it? Did you find something? It's nothing. Ano siya ba? Motors! Red! You're looking kind of scary. Yes, look like ever since we met him. Coming. Hello kay Ariel Abesado, ang aking pinsan. Musta? Buti may nakakapag-internet ka. Malakas ang signal. Nasa dagat ka ba? That's strange. Normally, he'd be like, well, let's do it. Wala kasi, pag, ano na kasi to eh, parang extra quest na lang siya. Pero yung main story nito, may mga voice, ano talaga, may bosses talaga siya. Eh ngayon, extra ano na lang, kaya parang tinanggal na yung ano, yung bosses. Kaya yun, kaya puro basa-basa na lang. Let's you and me take this outside or something. Let's get moving. Ngayon lang to, ano, to pa China na kami bukas. Uy, ingat. Papunta na pala kayong kalaban. Joke lang. Hey guys, wait up. What's going on here? I don't know. How should I act now? Ang lapit masyado ng camera ko. Cracks. Teka muna. Tingnan ko muna dito. Yan, kalaban na naman. Asa na yung kontra natin? Nandito, hinihintay ka ng kontra. Yung video natin nawala na eh. Nakakainis kasi sa Facebook pag matagal na yung video. Pag umabot na ng 6 months mahigit yata, binubura ng Facebook. Kaya ginagawa ko, simula nung last week, sinesave ko yung video, nire-record ko, nililipat ko sa YouTube. Pag nag-stream ulit tayo, Ilalagay ko sa YouTube yung ano natin. Yung video natin.
Yeah.
Loko-loko tong si ano. Kahit may jowa na yung mayakap pa rin. Pag nag-contra ulit tayo, ay ano ko. Tawag doon. I-stream ko, ilagay ko sa YouTube para hindi mabura. Sa YouTube, hindi nabubura yung mga ano eh. Kahit luma na yung video, nandun pa rin siya forever. Hindi katulad sa ano, hindi katulad sa Facebook, mga 6 months lang, tinatanggal na. Pero hindi lahat, ano, tinatanggal niya. Ewan ko ba din? Nanap ko nga yung video natin na nag-kontra tayo, kontra Bulate. Bang, 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 bang. Tsaka di pa ako nakabili ng maayos-ayos na computer nun. Yung nag-contra tayo. Ay, hindi, may computer na pala ako yung maliit lang. Eh, naglolo ko naman. Ngayon, bumili ulit ako ng computer na malaki-laki.
Every drop of sweat in training is one less drop of blood in battle. Yeah, but push-ups?
Push-up. Push-up, push-up. What is up, push-up? At ganun, may nakuha ba akong item? Oh, meron nga pala. Ah, okay, sige. Sige, pero nakakaya di matapos-tapos. Kahit nag-cheat na. May bago akong kontra, yun yung ano natin, tapusin natin. Mas magandang graphics. Yung sa Nintendo Switch na kontra. Kontra Bulate. Bang 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 bang. Ang maliit pala sa ano no. Palakihin ko nga, teka lang. I-stretch ko lang yung ano. I-stretch. Palakihin ko lang. Yan, okay na. Yan, para medyo full screen. Para kitang-kita. Yan. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Okay, pohon. Kaya nga, kailan nang uwi mo? Kailan balik mo? Go. Sago.
Alright.
Ano daw? Ala, bakit nawala yung shinare ko? Ayun. Tinignan ko lang yung ano, shinare ko sa group. Kung nandun. Sa mga group. Yan. Naglo-loading na naman. Minsan nadi-disconnect ako eh dahil hindi minsan abot yung wifi dito sa kwarto. At teka, gamit nga ako ng ano para hindi masyadong taas ng encounter rate dito. Holy bottle. Ay, hindi ako bumili ng holy bottle guys. Saka pas na ba yun? Ito. Revive dito, ano, recover eh, baliktad. Kala ko yung iba pa yung revive sa resurrection ng wala. Yung revive na ano, teka, ayusin ko nga yung camera. Nakaano? Anti-shield.
Don't go too far on your own. I know. Savage strike.
Tinitignan ko sa cellphone.
Final embrace.
Get this.
Icicle Volt!
No. Boom, 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 boom.
Every drop of sweat in training is one less drop of blood in battle.
Kala ko melange gel.
Push-ups?
Melange gel pala. Ha. Okay. Tapusin na natin tong kalokohan na to. Ayun, item. Abyss wood, Abyssado wood. Uy. Ano? Hindi makuha. Nasa kabila, iikot pa ako. What? What? Ano? Meow.
Maiden of Ice who sleepeth in silent forest, grace my
Inano ko, in-stream ko to kasi ano, napagkamalan siyang, ang dami pa lang din nakakaalam nito. Napagkamalan siyang, ano, Legend of Legaia. Tales of Legendia to. Shoutout kay ano. Teka, tignan ko nga kung live ko. Ay, mali.
who sleepeth in silent forest, grace my enemies with your pure smile. Don't take your eyes off him. Final embrace! Keep going! Wild rain!
Teka, wait. Okay. Dami kong chine-check. Lagay ko nga rito yung cellphone. Kakainis, di ko makita yung mga comments. Pwede naman doon ako tumingin sa isang PC. Ang problema, malabo yung mata ko. Hindi ko makita. Yan, okay na. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, kahit naka-holy battle ako, ang taas pa rin ang encounter rate.
Great king who supports the most distant lands. Defeat this foolish offering which probably...
Flame blade! Static strike!
Kaya palang init eh. Naka number 1 yung electric fan. Bakit ang init?
You'll be caught in the
Naka number 1 pala.
Thunderblade!
Lah,
Forest soul entombed in death's shield grasp and held by its teeth. Flame blade, huh?
shucks. Pure.
Blizzard!
Sus, inuman nyo pa yung blizzard na yan.
Icicle
Icicle Bolt. Nasaan ba si Will? Ito. Pure mo ko. Dapat mag-ano ako. Mag-assign ako ng ano.
Use this! If it gets any closer... Cure!
Yun.
Enemy while I'm casting spells.
Ayokong gumamit ng item.
Cheerleader on!
Muna pa yung cheerleader na.
Spread!
Mamatay na nga, nag-ano pa.
Hey, that was so cool!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yan ako. Assign. Mali. Ares. Ito. Ang L2 ko, bakit firewall? R2 pala, R2. Ano? Revive. Isang L2. Sino yun? Hello kay... Uy, Eric Subs, Tales of Legends of Dragons. Tales of Legends of Dragons. Hindi, inano ko lang kasi napagkamalan siyang Tales of Legaya, ay, Legend of Legaya. Nung ano, kasi hindi alam ni... Shoutout sa'yo kay ano, sa isang streamer na pinalo ko. Hindi, ibahin ko yung ano para marami akong moves. Papangit ng mga moves ko eh. Ano ba to? Unleash combo. Dragon Crush. Non-Dragon Crush. Down the enemy with the force of... Ano to? Phantom Dragon Dance. Ah, meron na pala ako yan. Gusto ko yung kakaiba. Try ko nga to. L2. Pero bago ang lahat, revive muna. Game. Go na. Kaya pala eh. Holy battle. Tinatapos ko na yung character quest. Ang tagal eh. Ano na lang, 3 na lang natira. Nagawa ko na lahat. Yung kay ano, kay Will, kay Norma, kay Chloe. Yun. Ito na lang na kay ano, Moses. Dito ko sa Dell na kano, pero naka-capture card ako. Naka-stretch tuloy yung ano, yung stream ko. I can take this all the time. Abot pala yung ano, yung webcam dito eh. Next time, ilalagay ko yung... Ay, ng problema. Yung controller. And gloom anymore. Doom and gloom. It's hardly surprising given the situation. Which is stays quite too long. What? Teka. Yan. Alam, Norma can survive if she stays quiet for too long. Exactly. Hey. Ano daw? You've always got to make, got to be making noise, don't you? Favorite ko yan si Norma. Medyo nakakaiyak kaya yung ano nito, yung backstory na yung ano nito, character quest. Kasi ano, 'di ba, yung namatay yung parang teacher niya na ano, idol niya pero inaasar-asar niya. Tawag doon. Yung Everlight na walang naniniwala na merong Everlight. Tapos ano yun, tawag doon, nung nakita nila yung Everlight, magwiwish siya, iwiwish sana niya na ano, siya yung comedic relief dyan eh. Kaya kalungkot yung backstory. Oh, iwiwish sana niya na ma-revive yung teacher niya. Imbes na yun ang iniwish niya, ang niwish niya, yung isang, ang teacher ng teacher niya, yung matanda. Yun, yung master ng teacher niya na parang lumalabo na yung mata. Ang niwish niya, palinawin yung mata nung master ng teacher niya. Kaya yun, parang nakakaano naman. Teacher, master ng teacher niya. Ganon. You're upset because you suspect Gitu. Now, listen. That's enough. Ayan, eto, tungkol naman kay Git, yung aso ni ano, ni Will. Ni Moses. Yung kay Chloe, ano, no? Grabe si Chloe, maghihigante, pati si Senil, sinaksak niya eh. Talagang hindi siya nagdalawang isip eh. Imbis na makalimutan na niya yun. Mabait naman na yung ano, kaso pumatay sa parents niya yun. Yung Arnold ba yun? If we continue our investigation, we'll eventually find the truth. Throwing around guesses won't bring us any closer to a conclusion. Masyadong malapit yung mic ko. Kaso pag inano ko naman, masyado namang malayo. Now, it's all gloomy again. You just have to deal with your... Lagi nag-aaway si Jay tsaka sa... Etong gusto... Naku-curious ako kay Grun. Kasi nagka-amnesia siya eh. G-girl. I don't know what I do without you. And may ano eh, may something dito na parang dark ano siya eh, something. Pero para siyang ano, comedy rin tong si Grun eh, kasi makakalimutin siya lahat ng sinasabi. Kaso parang ano, misteryosa siya na dahil may kinakausap siyang hindi naririnig ng kasama niya. Siguro yung pinaka-last na ano eh, character quest. Kaya ako curious ako eh. Sus, yan si Grun. Nakatawa nga ako yung niyakap ni Grun si ano, si Moses. Kinilig ang wala. Nagtatatakbo si Moses eh. Para siyang si ano eh. Para siyang si Quistis. Ay parang, basta yung parang ganun. Yung mature na babae. Si Jay naman, parang alam ko na yung ano ni Jay eh. Backstory tungkol sa mga ano, mga ors. Ginilig yung jetlogs. Yung jetlogs niya. Na ano, na L siya. Nagalulu. Nagalulu si Moses. Asan ba sa JB? Si JB yung lagi naasal sa lulu. Hindi ko ma-stream to sa ano, nagka-capture card pa ako. Kaya ako nag-capture card kasi mahina ang wifi dito sa Dell. Ngayon naman, pag sa HP ako nag-stream, di ba namamatay siya pag nag-ano ko, emulator? Nagsha-shutdown siya bigla. Dati nagbo-blue screen of death. Ngayon, BSOD din. Di ba, BSOD dati, blue screen of death. Ngayon, black screen of death. Yung ano ko, monitor. Biglang ano sa ano ko. Hindi sa monitor eh, yung sa computer. Ay, patay pala si Senel. Gagi. Nasaan yung ano? Hindi ko na ano. May pampabuhay ba to? Ah, wala. Recover status effect. Kill alay. Nandito yung resurrection. Kay Norma. Yan, tas revive. Na zero tuloy yung TP. Signs na yan, palit ka na daw ng unit. O nga eh, yung mismong system unit ng problema. Ito, ang kulit nito yung nagbe-baking. Kung saan naging kaktuaran. Do you have any siblings, Mimi? Laging ina-answer nila yan. I got a brother named Kope. And a sister named Cornet. Uy, Cornet. Cornet's really cute like me. Parang gusto ko tuloy ng corneto ah. Oh, where to start? Do they act as well strangely as you do? What's so strange about the way I act? Stupid people don't even... Grabe si Jay, Franca. Stupid people don't even realize how stupid they are, like Moses here. Gagi. Don't compare me to him. Hey. Enough of this. I am leaving before I get tired with you. Tenenene. Tenene. Tatry ko ng ano eh. Siguro sa hard drive yun dahil parang fake yung hard drive na nabili ko nung ano eh. Kasi paano ba naman di magiging fake yun? Tig to 200 plus lang yung bili ko sa hard drive ko.
You know, I've
200
made a lot of
pesos.
progress, but I can't seem to improve the most important thing.
You're not getting any smarter, are you? Poor thing.
You know it's all over for you when you hear a line like that from
Buti may
Moses.
boses na ulit. Yung karak. Pag ganito, pag nag-skit, may boses. Yan.
Oh, you poor thing.
Laging ganyan si Grun. Parang ano-ano lang.
Yeah.
Pero para siyang ano, hinala ko parang may dark power to. Nakakaano rin to eh. Kunwari aanga-anga lang eh. Pero pag naalala niya yung ano. Pero wag mo ako i-spoil ha. Malapit na ako dun eh. Pagtas nito si Jay na eh. Pag after ni Jay si Grun na eh. Siya na yung last eh. Tapos yun na dediretso na ako sa Tales of the Abyss. Pero sa 3DS ko lalaroin. Sa mismong 3DS hindi ko mai-stream. Kasi mismong 3DS yung gagamitin ko. Pag natapos ko na lang, tsaka ko na lang i-stream.
Indignation!
Dug. Lakas niya yan. May ganon din si Shirley, Indignation. Yung kidlat, puro 1,000 yung bawas. Pang boss siya eh, no? Indignation.
Cindy, that was so cool.
Ang daming 1,000. Parang sila pa nga yung pinakamalakas eh. Si Will tsaka si Shirley. Dahil dun sa Indignation na yun. Ay, wala. Oh. Pinupuntahan ko yung may mga ganyan kasi usually may item eh. Pero wala naman pala. Teka, Holy Battle nga ulit ako. Ubus lagi Holy Battle ko dito. Ang taas kasi ng encounter rate nito. Konting hap ay. Nag-Holy Battle pa. Pero okay lang. May ano yung tawag doon. Ibig sabihin nito, may boss na yata. Pero dalawahin ko yung save para sure. The cracks. Excuse me.
Damn, they're behind us.
In-upload ko na yung mga dati kong stream video sa ano, Hank Cutie Man.
Thunderblade!
Magkakadikit na sa YouTube. Para just in case burahin ng Facebook yung mga video. Nakasave dun.
Anti-shield!
Hindi.
If it gets any closer... Spread!
Tambay ko lang dito. Kain muna ko. Sige lang. Salamat sa pagtambay. Natapusin ko lang tong ano na to. Saglit lang din ako mag-i-stream. Kasi mag-upload pa ako sa YouTube. Bago ako mag-multi-platform stream. I-upload ko muna yung mga stream ko. Konti lang naman yun eh. Nasa 10 lang mahigit eh. Ay, climax battle. Gamit nga ako. Sayang. Scallop gel. What's that? At pala. Gamit restore 20% of HP and 40% of TP. Wala, nag-recover na kasi ako eh. May recover kasi sa tabi ng save point kanina eh. sayang. Squid Game.
Firestorm!
That's the put.
Thunderblade!
Silence!
Sound of silence.
Oh, Lightless Tempest!
Icicle
From
Volt!
distant regions, stretch out thy tenebrous arms and lead my enemies to their eternal destruction!
Ano yun? Yung ano? Indignation. Black hole. Madaming hits yung black hole. Kaso ano?
Final
Puro
embrace!
100 plus lang.
What are you cooking up?
Silence!
Depende sa kalaban. May kalaban na puro ano eh, 300 plus yung bawas.
Furious maiden of ice and snow, born on the street,
Icicle Volt!
destroy the great
Ah, na ano ako?
Blizzard!
Tawag dito.
Oh, like
Immobilize. Kumbaga sa Final Fantasy 12, immobilize. Di makagalaw.
to their eternal slumber! Black hole! Silly, that was so cool!
Yeah.
Grown level up. Ilan na ba ako? Nasa 60 plus na eh. 63. 62, 63. Puro 62. Miracle Bottle. Battle. Bottle. Battle. Tapos na. Mga 9:30 ganun. String.
Here, use this! Recover!
Blizzard!
Boom, 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 boom.
Here, use this! That interrupted the arrows. Savage Wolf!
Eternal light,
Here, use this!
ever true and undefiled.
Dapat bili pala ako ng mic na may stand, no?
Cure!
Naharangan yung bibig ko. Kita dun sa... Naharang yung bibig ko. Sa mic.
Icicle Volt! Savage Wolf Storm!
Ground dasher!
Here, use this! Recover!
Wolf storm! Silence!
Full soul entombed in death's chill grasp and rent by its teeth of lightning!
Eternal light, ever true and undefiled. Rest,
Icicle Volt!
sitting before me, the majesty of thy
Oh. Water ores. Horse. Isip ko ipapeso kaya yung webcam dito sa ano. Hindi mo na. Wala eh. Ay! Namu, taas ng encounter rate. No? Encounter na naman.
Again?
Again?
Icicle Volt!
Diba malakas yung sound ng game?
rolling stone!
Device who sleepeth in silent wars, grace my enemy.
Mga na-over, ano yung napapaan? Overpower yung boses ko sa sound ng game.
Anti-shield!
Ba to? Sira na kasi.
Oh, lightless tempest from distant regions. Black hole!
Black hole!
Freeze Lancer!
Kahit wasak na tong ano ko, headphone. Mas gusto ko pa rin gamitin kasi ano, kasi may noise cancellation. Hindi katulad nung USB na ano ko, earphone na biniling bago, yung Logitech. Naririnig, bawat hinga ko naririnig eh. Parang hinihipan ko yung ano, yung mic. Dito kahit umihip ako, hindi masyadong ano eh. Oh, wala pa palang boss. Layo pa pala na ito.
Oh, look, that's go, go, go!
Don't go too far on your own. I know. Freeze Lancer. Now, Mo. All right, let's go.
Cheerleader run. Cheerleader run.
Flame Blade.
Ayusin ko lang yung upo ko. Lang.
Born in the depths of nothing, abandon your mundane form and become annihilation incarnate.
Inangat kong konti.
Firestorm!
Maiden of ice who sleepest in silent forest, grace my enemies with your pure smile. Final embrace.
And lead my enemies to their eternal blood!
Tagal mamatay oh. 24,000. Octopus. Octopus.
Simmy, that was so cool!
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. Ay, oh, tignan mo, ang taas talaga ng encounter rate, oh. Konting hakbang lang laban ka agad. Ay, hindi na.
These creatures use
Galing pala ako dun sa bilog kanina.
Maybe I've been playing a bit too hard.
Maiden of ice and snow, born on the streams of the storm!
indignation.
Maybe I've been playing a bit too hard.
Tingin nga ng bagong kapangyarihan. Ay, ganun lang.
Far on your own.
Ay, hindi. May combong konti. Kaso may na. Mas okay pa yung simpleng attack lang.
Just what are you cooking up? Savage strike.
Ouch.
Recover. Eagle shot. Here, use this.
Dark Force. Lalakas na ng mga kapangyarihan. Level 60 plus na kasi. Kaya naglabasan yung mga ano, malalakas na magic. Meron sa taas. Uy. Weapon. Ay, hindi pala. Spirit symbol. Pero ano siya na i-equip? Spirit symbol. Periodically restores medium amount of TP. Ah, okay. Dali naman mag-recover ng TP. Kahit wala yan. All divide? What's that? Reduces all damage inflicted on enemies during battle by 50? Wow! Ay! On allies and enemies. Ayun lang. 50-50. Reduce bawas mo sa kalaban, reduce din bawas sa'yo. Ay, reduce bawas sa'yo, reduce din bawas mo sa kalaban. Pero pwede na rin, kahit pa paano. Nga lang 50%, malaking bagay.
Thunderblade. I know. Brilliant sound like the heavens. Cry
Ray!
havoc and with your wrath lead my enemies to their doom.
Dun, 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 dun.
Sorry, I forgot to go easy on you.
Go easy on me. Si ano yun si Christy ng Tekken. Red Lavender. Ay nako. Kakahakbang lang laban. Puro laban.
Cast their spells.
Meron kasing ano yung bubble.
Indignation.
Maybe I've been playing a bit too hard.
Yan, malakas. Indignation.
Maiden of ice who sleepest in silent forest, grace my enemies with your pure smile.
Dark Force!
Final embrace.
tignan ko ano oras.
Remember well the lessons from this battle.
8:44. Orange gel. Mga 9 o'clock or kahit 9:30 siguro. Hindi, 9 o'clock na lang. Oh, shucks. Natakot. Umikot lang. Mali. Kaya mo na. Para mag-level up na rin. Yung dalawa pa.
Anti-shield! Roadrunner!
Rolling Stone!
Rolling Stone. Medyo malakas rin yun.
Thunderblade!
What are you cooking up? This foolish offering which crumbles at your
To the
feet!
depths of nothing, abandoning
Ground
your
Dasher!
mundane form to become annihilated too hard! Extension! Outcast! Phantom Dragon!
Phantom Dragon. Hindi naman natatama. Maliit kasi yung kalaban.
What are you looking at? Flame Blade!
Recover, recover. Lakas na. Recover, recover.
What the?
Revive!
Revive pala. Ay, revive pa. Pang revive.
Maybe I've been playing a bit too hard.
Cure!
Sure, yan.
Revive!
Okay na. Hintip na.
What are you looking at, huh?
Maybe I've been playing a bit
Flame Blade!
too hard.
Revive!
Brilliant vanguard of the heavens! Crush havoc and with your wrath lead my enemies to their doom! Indignation!
Indignation.
Rolling Stone!
Anti-shield! What the? Hey, not bad!
Men, na ano na naman.
Here, use this!
Thunder Arrow!
Si Norman ang papatay.
Hey, not bad!
Who supports the most distant of lands?
Here, use
Receive
this!
this foolish
Maybe
offering
I've
which
been playing a bit
crumbles.
too hard.
Recover!
Sorry, I forgot to go easy on you.
Ubos lagi yung TP ni ano ni Moses. Kasi ang pangit nung attack niya eh. Kaya lagi siyang gumagamit ng ano. Yung ordinaryong attack niya. Ay, may skit pala. Hindi ko na ano. May skit. Red's fault. Kasi pagtas nitong laban nawawala yung skit eh.
Thunderblade!
Kalimutan ko press select.
Take your eyes off him!
Maybe I've been playing a bit too hard.
That interrupt... If it gets any closer...
What are you cooking up?
No light.
That interrupted the Earth! Worm Rush! Alright,
Skit. Ano wala nga. Sa baba. Parehas lang pala. Hindi ko napindot yung select ang wala. Dire-diretso ko. There's nothing here. Are we sure this is the right place? My information network never fails. So if anyone made a mistake, it's us. La. No, it's right. You hear something? It almost sounded like some kind of animal. It's like your ears aren't playing tricks on. There it is again, where it's coming from. Kamukha nga ni Kito. Spot, wait. No, it's not. How could you think it's that? That's it. Alam, dapat recover muna. Oh my, it looks like it's in a really bad mood. This getting exciting. Busog na, sana all. Busog na. Ako mamaya pa ako kakamerienda ko lang. Oh my, it looks like it's a really bad mood and it's getting exciting. Yung ganyan lagi siya. Ano ba yan? Nauna pa yung laban bago mag-recover. Di man lang binigyan ng chance mag-recover muna.
Savage strike.
Boss to, 90 pa. Fenrir. Si Fenrir.
Flame blade.
Kamukha rin ni ano,
Eagle shot.
pangalan nun, yung sa Final Fantasy 16. Si ano, yung aso ni Clive. Torgal, kamukha ni Torgal. Naku, yari. Kaya nga, di, okay lang naman yung ano pa, puno pa naman yung mga buhay niya. Pero pag ano, gagamit na lang ako ng climax.
Shield.
Torgal, oh. Actually, si Torgal, i-spoil ko na. Si Torgal, si Fenrir. Kaya ano, ma-awaken yung kapangyarihan niya. Ini-spoil eh. Fenrir yun eh, si Torgal. Ala, madidid.
Savage.
Revive!
Yun.
Use this.
Isa pa. Ay,
Revive!
alam mo na. Ala ko, di mo pa alam.
Freeze Lancer.
Kasi, pinanood ko sa YouTube yung walkthrough nun eh. Tsaka yung FF7 Rebirth. Kaya kahit di ko na laruin, alam pa na yung story. Di, pero mas iba pa rin pag nilalaro. Eh, wala eh. Hindi ko kayang... Kung magda-download man ako, kailangan ko pa ng extra SSD.
Thunderblade.
O yan, store ko yung mga ano ko. Pero ano, hindi na, pinanood ko na yung walkthrough eh. Hindi ako makapaghintay eh.
Eternal light!
Shield.
Ray vibe. Ah, no.
Anti-shield.
Ray vibe. Yan.
Revive!
Isa pa. Pang revive. Pinipindot ko lang R2 para mag-revive.
Worm rush.
Revive!
Phantom Dragon Dance. Phantom Dragon Dance. Freeze Lancer.
Mas malakas pa kaysa sa FF7 remake. Yung alin.
Maiden of Ice who sleepeth in silent forest, grace my enemies with your pure smile and open them by book. Watch out. Final embrace. What are you looking at, huh?
Yung FF16, si Torgal.
Rolling stone!
Phantom Dragon Dance. Thunderblade. Phantom Dragon Dance.
Rally!
Now we got him. Phantom Dragon Dance. Dragon Blast. Freeze Lancer. Dragon Blast. No Dragon Blast. What are you looking at, huh? Here, use this.
Black hole!
Black hole daw. Ba yung pusod ko yun yung black hole.
Shield. Phantom Dragon Dance. Keep back. Don't take your eyes off it.
Yung 16 nasa 100. Oh my god. Halos 200 gig na. Grabe. Yung remake nasa 97 gig lang ata.
Maiden of Ice who sleepeth in silent forest, grace my enemies
Grabe, ganun ka ano. Pero ano, mas mabilis matapos yung ano. Parang konti lang ng content ng... Sabihin, mas malaki yung mga files ng ano. FF16. Mas mabilis matapos yung FF16 kaysa sa Rebirth. Di ako sure sa Rebirth. Baka nasa 100 gig na yun. Siguro. Yung remake ang 97 alam ko eh. O yung Rebirth, siguro mga nasa 120 siguro yun. Hula ko lang. 120 gig, mga ganun.
Every drop of sweat and training is one less drop of blood in
Grabe,
battle.
kailangan yung ano mo,
Push-ups?
yung 1 terabyte mo, parang ano na lang eh. Kulang, kukulangin ka sa 1 terabyte eh. Para bang 256 gig na lang yung 1 terabyte na ano. Kulang. The one must have been the real perpetrator. Malaki yun for sure kasi semi oo nga eh. Mas malaki yun kaysa sa remake, no? And this will clear Git's name. You can relax, Moses. You don't look happy. Yung FF15 nasa na. Oh my gosh. Plano kong download yun eh. FF15 kasi hindi ko pa siya nalalaro eh. Na ano ko lang yung demo. Nalaro ko lang yung demo dun sa laptop kahit super lag. Kahit sobrang lag. Pinagtiyagaan ko yung demo kahit binaba ko na lahat ng settings. You don't look happy. What is it? Kasi wala namang GPU yung laptop ko. It ain't over. Bakit? What do you mean? That's what I said. That was nothing more than a game. Meron ako ng pirata, promise 155 gig siya. Wow. Ito torrent ko na lang. Actually may extra akong hard drive pero hindi SSD. Iba pa yung SSD kong isa. Hindi ko pwedeng gamitin yung SSD ko sa pirated eh. Kaya maglaan ka ng malaking SSD size. Bibili pa nga ako ng external hard drive eh. Kasi napuno na yung external ko. Puro ROM ng Nintendo Switch. I thought you stopped playing hide and seek when you were little. Come on up. What? At ganun yung itsura ni Kit. Parang nagkaroon ng mga black. It would seem that what we see before us. But that's this time there's no question that's it. Yun. How can you say that's how come? Stop carrying on. Don't agitate me. He's acting strange. Hala. Dami. Nangyari sa aso niya. Nagwala. Mag-iipon pa ako kasi pag mag-iipon pa pambili ng PC tas pambili pa ng SSD. Ay di, kasama na pala yung SSD doon. Kaya nga dapat ano, at least 2 terabyte man lang. Kahit 2 terabyte. Kaso mahal eh. Lalo na pag NVMe pa yung ano, SSD mo. Pero yung ano, yung SATA SSD hindi naman din gaanong nagmura. Konti lang diferensya niya sa ano, sa NVMe. Kala ko magmumura yung SATA eh. We've made it through though it's past plenty of time already. It'll be fine. Oh, system unit nga dapat. Kahit saka na yung GPU, tsaka yung ano. Saka na GPU, tsaka yung memory. Yung RAM, mura lang naman yung RAM, di ba? Pero mahal-mahal din, lalo pag DDR4 or 5. DDR5. Kasi pag natapos mo naman laruin, di-delete mo din. Tama yun. Hindi naman kasi may stay yun sa ano. Ang problema kasi meron akong ano, isang SSD kaso nakalaan yun sa mga software. Hindi ko pwedeng lagyan ng ano, ng mga kung ano-anong games, lalo na pag pirated. Pwede kong lagyan ng games yung galing sa ano, galing sa Steam o kaya Epic. Wag lang yung pirated kasi doon ko i-install yung mga Unreal Engine 5, yung mga ano, Blender, yung mga Maya or kung ano man, Houdini. Hindi ko pwedeng lagyan ng pirated yun. Is this some kind of prank? Then it's gone a bit too far. You're not playing around here. Come on. Yun lang. Moses, look out. Ow. Ako naging wild na yung aso. Siya nga daw yung pinakamalakas na ano eh, na yung ano ba yung tawag sa mga ganyan. He's so strong. What? Kung kaya mo mag-risk sa mga second hand, try mo sa FB Marketplace. Baka may mahanap ka na maayos. Sige, pag may extra na pera. Kasi ang problema ko, kung hindi lang ako bibili ng external hard drive, makakabili ako ng extra SSD. Ang mahal kasi ng ngayon. Imbis na magmura yung hard drive ngayon. 4 terabyte. Meron ako 4 terabyte. Kaso puno na nga dahil nga sa mga ROM, di ba? Sa mga Switch ROM, Xbox 360 ROM. Pati yung mga yung mga namin, yung mga picture, video nung Christmas party, mga family reunion, It's badly hurt. Yung mga kaganapan, hindi ko naman pwedeng burahin yun. Pwede ko nga burahin yung mga yung mga ROM, wag lang yung mga picture na sa importanteng memory. That's Moses iTouch. Yung magbubura na rin ako siguro yung mga movie. Mga movie ko kasi 4K resolution eh. Sa TV ko, kapag nagda-download kasi ako ng movie, sa TV ako nanonood, 4K resolution yung TV. What happened to your eye? Ay! You're acting all surprise. Alam na bulag yung isang mata niya. He's unconscious. Ganun kalala yung damage na ginawa sa kanya ng aso niya. We should return to Vertis Beacon and reorganize, especially consider Moses Finch. Oo, ROMs kasi may makukuhanan ka naman, pero yung mga picture once in a lifetime, totoo. Yung mga movies, ang problema ko, lalaki. Nasa 20 gig din, depende sa Yung Resident Evil Dead Island na download ko siya, mababa lang naman, nasa 6 gig lang yata. Pero na yun 4K resolution na siya. Pero yung iba, yung mga Guardians of the Galaxy, mga nasa 12 gig yata. Mga iba kong na-download na movies. Spider-Man Across Multiverse. Yung part 2 ng Multiverse Second. Yung kay Miles Morales. Yun, wala po ilang gig yun. Hindi na, pero pwede ko naman burahin yun. Lang kasi papanoorin pa ng pamangkin ko yun pagka bumalik ulit dito sa bahay. Dapat nga manonood kami kasi ang pinanood na nung isang gabi ang pinanood namin yung Squid Game ng Netflix. Di pa pala niya napanood. Busy kasi siya sa work. Note kami ng season 2. Ay, may nga pala, mamaya out na pala yung Castlevania Nocturne season 2. Kaso hindi ako masyadong na-excite eh. Pero papanoorin ko pa rin kahit pa paano. Kasi kakampi na ni Richter si Alucard. Castlevania season 2 nga pala ngayon, January 16. Nocturne season 2. Oh, Netflix. Sa Netflix meron. Only on Netflix lang naman yun. Ay, kaya pala. Napunta kasi puro mga pang-heal yung ko. Mag-aano ko ng isang pang-attack. Siguro si Chloe na lang. Kaya pala sabi ko bakit matagal kalabanin yung ordinaryong kalaban. Tingnan ko baka may makukuha, sayang. Wala. Wow, Lodi Macho. Si JB Gamer nandito na. ang ano, ang biya sa ano,
Go away already.
Don't take
paano
my
mag
eyes
ano sa CR.
Shining star. Shining star rising.
off. Icicle
Yun
Volt.
na nga, no, Castlevania.
Rising.
Ang ayoko lang dun sa Netflix,
What are you up to?
bukas na para release date ng Tales of Grace. Uy, titignan ko sa tendoku.com, baka mayroon na nun. Remaster sa Steam. Ah, sa Steam. Yung sa Switch nun, kailan ang release nun? Sabay lang din ba?
Yeah.
Di ko pa nga tapos yung Freedom Wars Remaster, dumadami na. Kaya nga, yun ang disadvantage, no, na pag ano, pag may mga lumalabas na game, padami ng padami yung backlogs mo, kulang pa yung buong lifetime mo. Uy, hello kay Arknil ng Arknil Gaming. Welcome back to stream. Thanks for notify. Happy streaming. Salamat. Ayun na nga eh, yung padagdag ng padagdag yung backlogs. Uy. Ito. Bakit di ko to nakita kanina? May item pala dyan. Dumaan ako rito, hindi ko nakita.
That's so cute.
Watch out. It's still a monster.
Wala ba tong ano?
Blades.
Escape pampabalik dun sa unang ano? Wala bang item dito, no?
Your mundane
Katulad sa Final Fantasy,
extension.
the good old age. Yung pag nasa mga kuweba-kuweba ka, ganun, tapos gagamit ka ng magic, yung ano, teleport ba yun?
Rising.
Para mapunta ka sa entrance. Wala yatang ganun dito eh, no?
Rising.
Ang layo kasi ng lalakarin eh. Malayo nang nalakarin, hindi ko pa kabisado yung daanan. Yun ang pangit dito eh. Baka may nakukuhang ganon or may magic na ganon. Wala eh, inano ko lang eh. Red sub. Tama. Ay, ano ba yan? Simulan natin sa Eris. Parang Goho M item sa Persona. Para sa parang teleport sa para makabalik ka dun sa ano entrance. Wala, tinignan ko na to eh. Iniisa-isa ko na to, wala eh. Resurrect revival. Mag-iitim naman yun pagka pwedeng gamitin. First aid, recover, cure. Ito lalo, puro pang attack na eh. Ito, cure lang. Rally. Ito, wala rin. Wala siya eh. Sa item naman, mga ano to eh. Bakit? What? May ganito pala ako. Saan ko nakuha yun? May Kusanagi pala ako. Parang wala ata. Di ko maalala. Tagal ko na hindi nilalaro yan. Parang trip ko ulit laruin yan. Wala nga eh. Oh. Miracle Battle. Ang meron lang dito yung Holy Battle. Yung pampababa lang ng ano, encounter. Kahit no encounter man lang sana. Okay lang malayo. Basta kahit no encounter lang. Wala eh. Ito Charm Battle. Pan-discount ng item. Dark Battle pala yung pamparami lalo ng ano, encounter. Ang taas na nga ng encounter rate dito eh. Pamparami pa lalo ng ano. Tapos Holy Battle, yung Holy Battle and decreases. Rune that transform into another item. Wala siya. Kasi ang layo ng lalakarin eh. Hello kay John Ray Sonyega. Thanks sa notify. Welcome to the stream. Ganito ang problema ko dito palagi eh. Pagka tapos mo sa dungeon, babalik ka, lalakarin mo ulit pabalik. Pwera lang dun kay ano, sa side quest ni Chloe. na hindi ko na kailangan, si Chloe tsaka kay Norma, hindi ko na kailangan maglakad pabalik kasama na sa story. Good luck. Salamat. Arkneil, hindi po company, Arkneil Gaming, yan, ang fastest growing. Ika nga ni Derek, fastest growing. It.
Spread.
Siguro pagtas nito mag-aano na ako, Tales of the Abyss, pero hindi ko may stream. Ay, ba't ganun? Saan nakuha ko na yun? Counter na naman. Napasok na naman kasi sa bilog.
Thunderblade. Chloe, take him down.
Firestorm!
Counter rate.
Freeze Lancer.
Dark Force! Shining Storm Rising!
Anti-shield.
Furious Wave of Ice and Snow!
Hahaha. Tao.
What are you looking at, huh?
Tales of Arise, tinignan ko sa sa Steam. Medyo mahal pa.
They had a little
Baka siguro downloading ko na lang sa PitGirl yun pag meron na akong extra SSD. O try ko dito sa HDD luma. May luma akong HDD. Ayun nga pala, scallop gel nga pala. Nga pala yung scallop gel. Ay hindi, ngayon ko lang na. HP tsaka TP pala. Scallop. Yun, salamat sa good luck tsaka sa notify ulit kay
Maiden of Ice and Snow that interrupted the air. Eris.
Uha ho.
Rolling Storm!
Flame Blade. Don't take your eyes off it.
Pag tumataas yung airline. Parang lumalapad din. Dati hindi naman ganito kalapad yung nose.
Final Embrace.
Final one. Yung mga binili ko nga sa Steam nung hindi ko pa nalalaro lahat.
Yeah, but push-ups?
Push-ups? Yung mga binili ko sa Steam nung nag-sale. Hindi ko pa nalalaro lahat yun. Shortcut kailangan ko. Teka, holy battle nga ulit muna. Holy battle. Ubusin ko na tong holy battle na to. Hello. Apple chill na muna dito. Ubus eh. Yun lang. Yun. Buti walang na-encounter. Encounter none. Encounter hop. Enk hop. Enk none.
I should have seen
Sa sa FF9, no encounter.
Thunderblade.
No encounter din sa FF10.
Use this. Recover.
Ilalagay sa yung mga special DVD nilalagay sa tawag dun weapon tsaka depende sa slot. Pero ang ganda talaga ng pagkakagawa sa mechanics ng FF10 talaga. Madali lang intindihin tsaka effective yung mechanics niya. Kaya ang sarap mag-grind eh. Kahit umabot ng 200 hours yung grinding ko. Sarap mag-grind sa FF10 eh. Dahil effective yung mga ano. May kita mo kagad yung effect nung ano. Yung pinaghirapan mo. Ito ba yun? Layo. Layo ng iikutan. Tapos pagbalik dun, hindi pa tapos yung
It's this
kwento na
idiot.
yun.
I should have seen that coming. Rolling stone.
Boom, boom.
Thunderblade!
Let this tempest from distant regions stretch out thy tentacles arms and lean my
Here, use this!
black hole. I should have seen that coming.
Shell battle. Para saan yung shell battle? Shell battle. Temporary protects against magical elements. Lower attack and intelligence. Wala talaga yung no encounter. Ay, climax battle nga pala to. Ay, yaman na. Hindi ako gumamit ng climax eh. Gumagamit lang ako ng pag talagang tagilid na. Yun. Buti na lang may mga recover dito kaso ang layo pa rin ng ikutan. Ano ba to? Wala pala dun sa kaliwa. Taong kaliwa wala nga pala.
Freeze Lancer!
Black hole. What are you up to? Sammy, you were awesome. Norma, what are you doing?
What are you angry?
Ano yung ang grep? Ang dami nagkakagusto kayo sa nilang wala. Yung tatlong babae. Siguro lang ang hindi nagkakagusto kayo sa Enel. Mature kasi siguro.
These creatures
Pero kay Shirley talaga si Enel.
that interrupted the air. Icicle Volt!
Yung Grand Blue Fantasy nga pala. Gusto ko rin laruin. Grand Blue Fantasy. Tapos Blue Dragon pa pala. May Blue Dragon pa. Daming backlots. Kulang yung oras.
Coming from behind. Wimps.
Etong tape, di ko na makukompleto. Pero gusto kong laruin yung Symphonia. Meron akong Symphonia sa Switch. Which version? Meron sa Symphonia. Yung Greatest F. Try ko yung Greatest. May Desperia yata sa... Ay hindi, Desperia pala yung nasa Xbox. Ay meron yata, Desperia sa Xbox. Pero meron din Desperia sa Switch eh. Kesa Desperia. Shucks, may Nino Kuni pa pala ako muna. May Trials of Mana nga ako. Dami. Ay, hindi pala pwede rin. Wala nang effect yung ano. Uy, Dave Blackson ng Trip Ship. Welcome back sa stream. Thanks for having fun. Thanks for liking the stream. Welcome back. Dave Lacson. Ayun na nga. Ano ba yun? Holy Battle. Buti kung Holy Battle, ano? Wala ka talagang may encounter. Di, may encounter pa rin. Ayun. Taas ng encounter rate talaga niya. Imbis na magmamadali ka.
What are you looking at, huh? We're getting boxed in.
You need to find a way around.
Depths of nothing. I'm
Plus,
drowning.
1,000. Sino ba yan? Ah, si Norma, no? Resurrection. Norma,
Ram's right. New move.
revive me.
Extension.
Notify, good evening to play RPG ulit ako. Oo nga, patapos na to. Matagal ko nang nilalaro to. Ilang years na.
Resurrection.
Silent forest, grace my enemies.
2000 ano pa yata. Kailan ko ba sinimulan sa 2022? Magti 3 years na. Hindi pa nga kami nakatira dito sa bahay natin.
Revive.
Sinimulan ko to.
Vanguard of the heavens.
Nakaka-revive ko lang.
Focus.
Indignation.
New blade. Timer tested.
Bye-bye.
Revive.
Ito pa, revive pa. Bye-bye.
Freeze Lancer.
New blade. Soaring Omega. Revive.
Ayun na.
Eagle rising.
Go, go, go. Tago.
You were awesome. Norma, what are you doing?
What are you angry about?
Selosan. Pero hindi naman yung jowa. Ang jowa si Shirley. Ay, dapat tatlong babae nandito eh, para magselo-selo sila. Try ko nga minsan gan. Pagsama-samahin ko silang lahat. Para mag-rumble sila. Eh. Oo, ano ko na nga pala. Ay, in-stream ko na rin. Kasi nandito na si David Joke. Charot lang. Ano oras na ba? Ay, hindi. Ano na eh. Magna 9:30 na. Anyari na. Ayun. Ayun na. I wonder if Fred is okay. His wounds have healed, but we can't rest here. We need to go back to town. Nilagyan ko pa ng dialogue. Ano? Voice acting. Save muna para sure. After siguro ng mga dialogue nito in-stream ko na. Kasi magpo-post pa ako sa YouTube ko, mga stream. Hank Cutie Man magkakalikit. Hank Cutie Man yung YouTube. Mr. Renard, where have you been? All my life, where have you been? I want to investigate the matter of the monster. That monster attacked someone again. We can't just stay by. We can't just stand by any longer. Bring that gun. You called it immediately. So no, I'll take care of this. Get Moses to bed. Gotcha. You can use my house. Get Moses out of here before trouble starts. Diba dapat sa hospital siya? Will left party. How's Moses? great, but at least he's not getting any worse. Oh, what do we do now? Para magkaboses si Senel tsaka si Jay eh. Kung maririnig niyo yung voice acting nila. It would be prudent to assume that Git has turned wild. And he's real strong, just like Shaba once said. If Moses had taken the full brunt of that attack, he might not have survived. If he'd reacted just a little more slowly, he would have been in a big trouble. What's gonna happen to Spot? If he really has turned wild, then Red and Spot are gonna fight to the death. You can't be serious. Oh no. Ganun ba? Hey, don't go all silent now. You're supposed to say no way or never or something. Throwing a fit about the situation isn't going to change it. Oh no. Right now, we need to think about what we can do. Kaya wag niyong iwanan si Moses mag-isa. Dahil di niya kaya yung aso niya. Sorry. Barado yung ilong ko kasi. Moses had a large scar where his eye was. Shaba, do you know anything about that scar? That scar is the sign of the bond between Moses and Git. Matagal na pala yun. Kala ko nabulag siya kaya. Kala ko binulag siya. Matagal na pala yung scar, yung peklat niya. Kaya pala may takip yung isa niyang mata. You ain't getting away this time, you little dog. Hey, get back here. And time na to, hindi alam ni Moses, bata pa si Moses dito. Hindi niya alam na wild yung si Git, yung God. Tsaka yung pinakamalakas pa yung inalagaan niya. Even for me, this is enough to make my lungs burst. I feel sick. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna poke. Hey y'all, I was playing with it first. Kaya pala naging malapit sa kanya, niligtas niya. Uy, Jerome ko ng Jayco, welcome to the stream. Thanks for liking the stream. I'll take care of this guys. Run man can, still can. Notify good evening. Good evening din sa'yo, Jerome ko ng Jayco. Yun. Yeah, go. Yeah, go, Jayco. Yeah, go. Run as fast as you can. It won't stop bleeding. I can't even tell if I'm feeling pain or hit or what. Damn, I can tell the distance if I can see out my left eye. What a pathetic way to die. Damn it. Kinagat sa puwet. You idiot, run! If you're scared, don't force yourself. I'm fine. I'm just fine. Yun lang. Everything's going blurry. Nagiging Japanese na raw yung paningin niya. Everything's going, can't think straight. Yun lang. Kahit baby pa lang yung aso na yun, malakas pa rin siya. Pareho silang bata pa eh. Sabay silang lumaki. This is the third day. He may not make it. Nakoma siya. Is it alright to leave that grand gulp sitting out in the after like that? It's not alright, but it's not like we can just go and do something more. Yes, it may be a child, but it's still a grandpa. But you know that girl has been in front of the house the entire 3 days. Is it really waiting for Moses to wait? It's hard to believe, but I can't think of any other explanation. I guess that grand girl has accepted Moses. Parang inimprint, kumbaga sa Twilight, yung mga wolf inimprint sa ano. It waited in front of the house the entire time until Moses woke up. Even when it rained, wow. Even when cold winds blew, he sat there, not moving an inch. So Moses actually moved the heart of a grandka. After sleeping for 3 days and 3 nights, Moses woke up. The howl of joy that rang out that morning still echoes in my ears today. Wow. After that, Moses and Git were never apart. They played together and ate together. They even slept at each other's side. For a beast tamer, the relationship between those two represents the ultimate ideal. That must be the reason why you respect Moses. Yes, Moses is an incredible human being. That's why. Yeah, that's why. That's why the day Moses was exiled, I decided to go with him. Exile? With the danger of the Grand Gulf and the fact that it would turn wild, it's only natural that they do such a thing. They had to protect themselves from that which might turn against them, especially in light of the fact that the Grand Gulf had brought disaster to the village in the past. Moses' family in the village gave him a choice, either abandon Git or leave the village. Knowing Moses, he didn't hesitate to give them his answer. That's right. Moses didn't hesitate for a moment. He knew. That's Moses for you. He really could stand to use his head a little more. Moses left the village behind and chose the path of living with Git. And then he came to the legacy. The living legacy. Red Sure led an eventful life. Sorry. And yet he's still as carefree as ever. I guess that's impressive on its own way. I'd better get back to the camp soon. The guys are probably starting to worry about me. Please take care of Moses. I'll go check on Moses. I'll go with you. Okay, save na. Dahil 9:32 na pala. Tawag doon. Uy, Moses in his wheel room on the 2nd floor. Hindi pa pwedeng lumabas. Excuse. Ito yung ano ni Will, puro kalansay. Mga kalansay ng hayop, dinosaur. Ano siya eh, archaeologist eh. Ayun, gising na pala siya eh. You're awake. How could I sleep at that time like this? You could get some rest. You're under great emotional stress. No amount of crystal airs can help that. Layo na ng mic ko. Yeah. You know that kid, he may be a grand god, but he spoiled his wig and he's a yellow-bellied coward to boot. Moses. When I first met him, he didn't know how to hunt or fight or nothing. He was an embarrassment to every other grand gulf out there, the king of gulfs saying, right? But even so, he bared his fangs and ripped monster apart with his claws in order to protect me. I watched him as everything faded away around me. I thought to myself, that's the greatest damn god in the whole world. Wow. How sweet. I made a vow that day. I swore upon Git, who waited the whole time for me to wake up, and swore upon kasi napaka-loyal ng mga dogs talaga. Kahit hindi ako dog lover, totoong loyal talaga ang mga aso. I swear that no matter what happened, I would never betray. Kaso ang ayoko lang sa aso kasi sobrang loyal nila, parang na-overprotective sila. Na kahit sino na lang kaya nilang atakihin. Alam mo yun, sa sobrang pagmamahal nila sa'yo, sa bilang, ikaw na bilang amo, yung aso mo masyadong protective na. Parang di na tama. That Git and me would be together forever. But now, I ain't so sure and I hate that. Kabaliktaran naman sa pusa. Sa pusa kasi wala silang pakihin. Pero nakaka-recognize naman sila na ikaw yung... Kasi ang tingin ng pusa sa amo, parents eh. Kaya kung may parang hindi... Kung may trouble man, hindi sila masyadong pumapasok sa trouble. Pero may mga protective din na pusa. Hindi naman lahat ng pusa walang pake. I've seen so many beast tamers, I can't stand and look them in the eye. I've heard so much of their suffering and regrets, I can't stand to listen to them. Beast tamers and their beasts, the best friends until one day, bam, they're immortal enemies. Ah, ganun ba talaga? Talagang, tamers tsaka beast talaga. I've seen it so many times. Is that why you've lost your confidence? Turning while this plate is stained with blood as a beast tamer, I know this better than anything. I've been lying to myself the whole time, telling myself will be okay. I just kept telling myself everything will be alright, just keep my hands from shaking. Oh, obvious naman eh, kasi pagka sinasabi niya yun, parang halatang nagsisinungaling siya, natatakot din siya na magiging wild yung aso niya pag ino-open up yung issue na gano'n. But deep down, I knew this day would come. I knew I couldn't keep the balance of power. I can't be his playmate no more. I-accept na lang ba niya? You certainly know how to whine loudly, you pathetic doll. I'm embarrassed just listening to you. What did you say? Inaasal. Uy, hello kay Tomoe UI. Welcome to the stream. Ayun, thanks for liking the stream. Ayun, finally nakadalaw ka na rin sa stream ko. I know you were stupid but I didn't think you were this stupid. Ito, I'm streaming Tales of Legendia PS2 version. PS2. Wala pa lang ibang version to. PS2 lang. I ain't in good mood right now. If you start talking crap, I will hurt you bad. Oh please, I get bored fighting such a crybaby like you. Alright, let's go. Cut it out, you two. Parang inaano lang ni Jay. Inaasar niya para hindi mawalan ng pag-asa si Moses sa aso niya. Kasi parang i-give up na ni Moses yung aso niya eh. Kasi nagiging wild nga, di ba? Inaasar niya para and are you planning on just giving up? O kakasabi ko lang. Ay, si Sainel pala nagsabi. Since when did you become such a pushover? Oo nga. The Moses I know would hang on his determination until the very end. So, do you understand what you said a moment ago, Sander? Sander nga pala ang apelyido ni ni pangalan nito? Moses Sander. You just said that you don't trust it. In the Misty Mountains, you said you'd change your destiny. Were you just pretending then? It ain't that. You said those words because you believe in it, right? You idiot, Fred. You don't accomplish anything just thinking about this on your own. This is a problem for the both of you. Are you planning on coming up with an answer without facing Git first? If you give up now, it's all over. I don't want the two of you to regret what happens. Yeah, maybe you're right. Alright, Moses. Let's work together and find Git. Git niya. Ayan na. That's how. Like that how. What's that? Yeah, no question. What's that? What? It sounds like it's coming from close by. Yari, ito na. It's coming from the camp. My voice. Oh no. Let's hear it. Oh no, i-end stream ko na dapat eh. Kaso, dito ko talaga i-end stream. Kung kailan laban na. Dito talaga sa town. Hindi dun sa ano nila. Ay, camp. Saan ba yung camp nila? Ah, dun yung camp sa ano sa park. Teka nga. I-save ko muna. Hindi pa naka-recover eh. Ano to? Try ko nga kung pwede. Ito muna. Try ko kung pwede mag-recover. Ay, hospital ko eh. Nandito muna. Dun sa bahay ni Senate. May bed dun. Pwede mag-rest. Wait. Hindi pala rito. Diba? Iba pala. Okay, nandito yon. Naligaw na ako. So, dito yon, I'm sure. Ayan. I-save ko. I-ano ko muna. Ewan ko kung pwede mag-rest. Baka hindi pwede siguro. Baka hindi nga pwede. Kaya mo na. Puno pa naman mga buhay. Yung MP lang ang hindi. TP pala. Hindi MP. So, dito na lang kaya ako sa kabila dumaan. Nasa northern part yung ano eh. Yung park. Sandara Park. Nandun yung camp, alam ko eh. Camp sa weekend. Halos, anong oras na ba? Pagtas ito, in-stream ko na talaga. Silipin ko lang. Di ba ito yung camp? Oh no. Oh no, kasasabi ko lang, oh no, how terrible. Let's tend to danger. Yan, tatlo yung healer. Shaba, what happened? Moses, it was, oh. Si Git. It was Git, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm sorry, Moses. Surely, heal Saba. Wala talaga, hindi nila kayang, ano. We couldn't do anything. You don't gonna say nothing. We try to take care of it by ourselves so you wouldn't have to suffer. You've done more than enough things, Yama. We couldn't do it. I mean, it was a hit. We couldn't bring ourselves to fight. Hindi nila kayang kalabanin kasi nga inalagaan din kasi nila yun. O nga, nakakaawa naman. Ikaw ba naman? Alagaan mo yung aso mo ng ilang taon tapos bilang atakihin ka. Parang hindi ganun kadaling even the ones who suspected it in the first place, none of them could fight. It's okay, you did good. Ayaw nilang we all love Kit, we want him to be together with you. Baka nasa pian lang or what? You mustn't talk aggravate your wounds. I'm sorry for putting you through this, Chaba. These tracks. Red Spot wouldn't do something like this, right? This is some kind of mistake, right? Do you think Chaba would like? But, beside this truck don't fly. Oh. I know these trucks anywhere. Oh. Is it too late for us to eat? No. La, akala ko may animation. You got some guts, kala ko may cutscene animation. You got some guts picking a fight with me? Bring it on! Sorry, it was all my fault. I took your food, you'll get mine tomorrow. You big dummy. Did you wait here the whole time? Oh. Nakakaiyak. It ain't all that smart. You know that, don't you? I can't think of any other way. So forgive me, okay? Nagsasalita pala siya sa sarili niya. He's talking to himself. What is it, Moses? What it is? What is it? Ano ako? Oh, what? Are you serious? I'm gonna kill Git. What? What the? What are you saying? It caused too much trouble. Wait, you're serious? Can you really do it? It's not a matter of can or can't. I will. Naalala ko yung sa Final Fantasy 13. Si Lightning tsaka si Hope. It's not a matter of can and can't. Dekirun dekinai mondai janai desu. Is that really acceptable to you, Sandra? Mondai problem. Mondai janai, not a problem. Dekiru ken, dekinai they can't. If someone's gonna take him down, then it's gonna be me. If someone's gonna take him down. Paano kung tinake down ka niya, tas atakihin pa yung mga kasama mo? Kaya hindi ka pwedeng but still killing it. Are you sure that's how you want this to be end? Oh my. You're worried about me, Senel. Hell must have frozen over. That's enough. Yan, galit na yung bida. Stop trying to hide your feelings with jokes. There's a time and place for saying stupid things, and this isn't it. Then what? You want me to say I can't kill Git? You want me to get down on my knees and beg everybody not to kill him? Paano? I can't take it anymore. I've thought about this as hard as I can. I can't forgive him. There's no way I can forgive him. Oh. Ganun. Matapos ang lahat. I can never forgive him for what he went and did. He hurt Senel, and look at what he did to Chaba and my boys. I can't keep making excuses. If Git's gonna turn against his own family, then I ain't gonna show him any mercy either. Git's been your family since way back, wasn't he? You've always been together, right? Nisipon na ako. Kailangan ko ng ising na to sa CR. Barado na yung ilong ko. Senel, that's ain't how it works. There ain't no past or present with family. New or old family is family. Oh. Kanina pa barado yung ilong. I get something to ask. I'm embarrassed to say this, but I can't take it on alone. Kailangan niya ng tulong. Oh, hindi mo talaga kaya mag-isa yan. Please help me take him down. Yun lang. Moses. I'm swallowing my pride and asking you for one thing, please. There's no one else I can ask. Moses, look at me. Please. You don't have to beg like that when asking for help from family. Oh, family. Ano yun? Si, pangalan nito. Si, yun sa Fast and the Furious. I'll help. But I'm only doing this to save it. Wala dyan na may mental block na naman akong wala. Si lang, di ko maalala. Si I Am Groot. Siya nagboses kay I Am Groot. Si Vin Diesel yun. Si Vin Diesel, I understood. Ay, speaking of Vin Diesel, da-download pala ako ng Chronicles of the Riddick sa Xbox. Kasi di ba yung movie ng Chronicles of the Riddick, may game nun. I understand, that's plenty. Well, it seems we've reached a conclusion, so I'm going to go investigate Kit's whereabouts. Nag-agree na sila lahat. Thanks, James. I'm counting on you. Stop that. You're making me ill. What is it with you? This isn't the time you do. Nag-aanoan mo yung dalawa. I don't know. I think it's nice to see them back to normal. Oh yes, I like it better this way too. When I've learned something, I'll let you know. Until then, please get some rest. We've still got plenty to work ahead of us. Oo nga. Tapos si Jay. Pagkatapos nito si Jay na. Tapos si Grun na yung last. Kaso baka hindi ko na i-stream siguro. Pero yung kay Grun baka kasi yun yung last na talaga eh. Oh, hello. Ayun, Dave Contreras pala. Uy, Dave Contreras, tulog ka na. Last list na. Dave Contreras of Tuki Place and Tuki Lily sa YouTube. We found out where Gate is. Everyone's meeting at Will's house. Gotcha. Save ko muna. Taman-taman dating mo, Dave. End stream na ako. End stream ko na kasi gusto ko nang dumura ng plema. Kanina pa yung sipon ko tsaka yung plema ko kanina pa nakatambay. Pasod tapos ako makain. Sorry. O sige, end stream ko na. Salamat sa mga nag-like, nag-share. Diba? Naka-capture card ako. Kaya yan, kita yung desktop. Yung desktop ko. May Ayan. Bye-bye na. Salamat.